Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to correct inverted desktop screen. If your screen is upside down or sideways, you can quickly flip it back using these methods. In the first method, you can fix the issue in Windows display settings. So for this you need to right click an empty space on your desktop and select the display settings. And now scroll down to the scale and layout section. This is the scale and layout section, and head to the display orientation, and you need to drop down this menu and select the landscape to return to the standard view. When I select the portrait, and here you can see that the window screen has been moved to the portrait. So if you want to keep change, then you have to click on the keep changes, otherwise you can escape to revert back to the screen. So you can also use the keyboard shortcuts for the HP user and press the Ctrl plus Alt plus up arrow to return to the normal landscape, and Ctrl Alt plus down arrow to flip down the screen upside down, and Ctrl plus Alt plus left right arrow to rotate the screen to the 90 degree. So right now I don't have HP computer, so I have the ThinkPad Lenovo, so these keys are not apply on my computer. But you can try to your HP computer, or might be the graphic drivers may have disabled these hotkeys. So in the third method, you can go to the graphic control panel. For system where the above don't apply, you can use your specific graphic card software. So for the Intel, open the Intel Graphic Command Center and display rotation. However, I do have the NVIDIA. So for this, I need to open the NVIDIA display setting. Type NVIDIA. So head to the NVIDIA control panel, and now go to the rotate display on the left side. And here is the second one, choose the orientation. If you want to select the portrait, this will be apply portrait, and this is the landscape flip. This is the portrait flipped. However, if you want to revert back to the standard screen view, so head to the landscape. So I hope now you understand how to correct inverted desktop screen. If you think this video is supported and helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.